Hello there, YouTube. Welcome back to our lovely channel. So for today, I'm going to be doing some Christmas lights, and then I'm going to be doing a Santa hat on this side, and then just some red winged eyeliner with some just white eyeshadow and green eyeshadow and like the water underneath, and then just like your basic foundation and all that stuff. So we'll get started. Oh, my primer's exploding. Oh no. No, stop. All right, whatever. So just keep doing it. So blender down. All right, guess we're gonna use a different one today. Awkward. Totally thought I had it. And I'm also, as you can see, super blind by my glasses. So I might be kind of like leaning really close to the mirror. Judge me. I don't care. Primer is applied. Perfect. I'm gonna just go in and just put a slight bit of foundation on my eyelids, just because I'm gonna probably do the eyeliner and that stuff first, and then we shall keep going from there. My foundation is way too light. My foundation is too light. It looks sick. All right, my foundation is way too light, so we're just gonna have to go with it. So my foundation, all that is set, that's done. We don't need to touch that. Now I'm gonna go in with the red and the white, and I'm just gonna quickly do the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. So in this, the girl has like a little bit of like a cut crease, so I'm gonna try and attempt that. We'll see how that goes. I'm really not good at this, so I doubt it'll work nice here. Let's see. I'm going and do it the same on the opposite eye here. Okay, let's see, make sure it's all even, make sure that looks okay. All right. Let's have to extend this one out a little more in here. I think. There we go. Yep, that looks a little better. Perfection. All right, now we are gonna go in and we're gonna create our cut crease here. Wish me luck. Good luck. This is where I'm probably gonna get a little bit closer in here. All right, let me see that. Okay, I just gotta clean up the line, but other than that, that looks good. We've done the one eye. Now I just need to go and copy it on the other. I'll kind of come up close. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'll make sure after to turn everything, like the brightness down and all that, so you can see it. Again, I know my foundation does not match. I'm gonna go swap it and get it properly to my skin, but whatever. Let's get back into it. All right. We have got the white, we have got the crease. Intensify the white over here. Okay, so I've done that. Now I'm gonna go on and do the red of the eyeliner. I'll do the green underneath, and then I'm gonna go start trying to figure out how to do the lights and the Santa Claus hat on the other side here. One eye done. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that there. Now I'm gonna do the red wing onto the other side, and we'll keep going. Now seeing this, I am gonna have to move some of the white over. I didn't blend it out as far on the other eye, which is fine. Now we've got the red eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my green and my thin brush here. Where did I just move it to? Right here. He's a very, very, very little guy, and just run it under my waterline. Hopefully I don't look like a frickin' raccoon after doing this. You never know, but I guess that's always the fun of it, right? Guess we'll do the Santa hat first. So I'll do it on this side and then we'll go and do the other portion after. Y'all pray for me, but we're just gonna keep it like that so I don't sit here playing all day with it. Right, I think that is the red portion of it. And do a little ball on the top, you know? Oh, it's so cute. Perfect. There we go. All right. Now I am gonna have to, wow, this part's gonna be the hardest. Okay, quick reference check. Whew, this part's gonna be the hardest. Okay. Okay, now we go and we create these little light bulbs all around. I am gonna have to quickly find a really small brush. I couldn't find a yellow eyeliner at all. Grabbed this because it had the yellow in the palette. So dashes up where she was gonna do a couple lights. Okay, so there are 3 little dots. So we'll do yellow, red, and green. Those are my dashes for my lights. Hopefully, I didn't think about this. Hopefully these lights down here will show okay. Yeah, actually, it is coming through. It's a heckin' good day. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Okay, so the one negative I am noticing about these eyeliners is the red is starting to come off onto the top, which is okay. It's not what I wanted though, but it's okay. So we go with it. We go with it. So we've done our yellows. Now let's go red and then we'll go green. Okay, and we do green, and then I just have to do my contour and like my highlighter, mascara, and then the look is done. You guys can comment down below if you have any other makeup like photos or themes, anything you want me to try to do. That'd be awesome. Love to see them. Even if you go follow us on Instagram, which is tagged, and like DM me photos or whatever, and I can try my best to do them. There we go. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. It looks so good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now all that's done. Let me just try and quickly do the rest. The hardest thing about makeup is freaking finding a foundation that can heckin' match your skin. Cause then like you tan in the summer and everything and your skin gets dark. Then if you're like me and like the second your skin doesn't see any bit of sunlight, all your tan disappears and it's awesome. And then you get really pale, but apparently not super pale. I don't know. Just my life with foundations is so annoying. And that's done. Highlighter brush. There you are. Quickly go in and highlight. I've never tried anything like this before. This is fun. Mascara to seal the deal, and then I'm just gonna do, after actually, a two-toned lip that I took the look from. I don't even think she's wearing lipstick, but I already had a red, and when I bought the palette that I was gonna use, it came with the lipstick, so I was like, whatever, guess I'm gonna use green too. Mascara is done. Yay! Now, let's do it. Got the red. I'm gonna sit, let that dry. Awesome, it's done. All right, everybody. this is the official done look. I have completed everything I feel like I need to. Yeah, that was actually pretty fun. Let me quickly set this down and I'll kind of give you guys a quick little look at what it turned out to look like. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching and joining me on this wonderful makeup adventure. Have a wonderful Christmas and a happy holidays for anyone who doesn't celebrate Christmas, and I will see you on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Always distorted. Always distorted. Always distorted.